Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today, let us discuss the trigonometry chapter in 10th class, exercise 11.1. First question is, in a right angle triangle ABC, AB is given as 8 centimeters and BC is given as 15 centimeters, AC is given as 17 centimeters. Now, we should find sin A, cos A and tan A. The formula for sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse, and for cos A it is adjacent side by hypotenuse, and for tan A it is sin A by cos A, which becomes opposite side by adjacent side. We should know each side. Let us draw a triangle ABC. According to the information given in the question, AB is 8 centimeters and BC is 15 centimeters and hypotenuse AC is 17 centimeters. Now sin A value is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 15 and hypotenuse is 17. And cos A value is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 8 and hypotenuse is 17. And tan A value is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 15 and adjacent is 8. Second question is, the sides of a triangle PQR are, PQ is equal to 7 centimeters, PR is equal to 25 centimeters, angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. Find tan P minus tan R. Now let us draw a right angle triangle with 90 degrees at Q. Let it be Q, which is 90 degrees, P and R. PR is given as 25 and PQ is 7 centimeters. In order to find out tan P minus tan R, initially we should find RQ value. From the Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now substituting the values, PR value is 25 square is equal to PQ value is 7 square plus QR square. From this we get QR square is equal to 625 minus 49. That is QR is equal to root of 576. Root of 576 is 24. So the value of QR is 24 centimeters. Now we should find tan P minus tan R. Tan P is QR by PQ minus PQ by QR. QR value 24 by PQ value is 7 minus 7 by 24, which is equal to 24 square minus 7 square by 168. We get this as 527 by 168 is the answer. Now the third question is, in a right angle triangle at B is equal to 90 degrees angle in which small a is equal to 24 units and small b is equal to 25 units. Angle BAC is equal to theta. Find cos theta and tan theta. Now let us draw a right angle triangle ABC first. Here B is given as 90 degrees. A, B and C. The side opposite to angle B becomes small b, which is given as 25. Side opposite to angle A becomes small a, which is equal to 24. Now we should find AB. AB is equal to question mark. From the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is 25 square is equal to AB square plus 24 square. From this, AB is equal to root of 49, which is 625 minus 576 becomes 49. AB is equal to 7 units. Now we should find the values of cos theta and tan theta. Cos theta is equal to AB by AC. AB value is 7 and AC value is 25. Tan theta is equal to BC by AB. BC value is 24 and AB value is 7. This is the solution. Question number 4. If cos A is equal to 12 by 13, then find sin A, tan A. Angle A is less than 90 degrees. Now let us draw the right angle triangle ABC. B and C. B is 90 degrees. Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. We should find BC. From the Pythagoras theorem, 13 square is equal to 12 square plus A square. 13 square is 169. When 12 square comes to right side, this becomes minus 144 is equal to A square. A square is equal to root of 25. A is equal to root of 25. From this we get A is equal to 5. BC is equal to 5. From this, sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is 5 by 13 and tan A is 5 by. That is 5 by 12. Opposite side by adjacent side. Fifth question. If 3 tan A is equal to 4, find cos A and sin A. Here we have 3 tan A is equal to 4. From this we can write tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Let us draw a right angle triangle ABC with B 90 degrees. Let this be H3 and BC is equal to 4. From the Pythagoras theorem, H square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. H is equal to root of 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. H is equal to root of 25. H is equal to 5 is the value. From this, sin A is equal to H is equal to 5 we got. Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 4 by hypotenuse is 5. That is BC by AC. And now cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is AB by AC. Sixth question. In a triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, angle X and angle A are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos X. Then show that angle A is equal to angle X. Here triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are drawn. From the information given in the question, cos A is equal to cos X. Cos A is AB by AC, which is equal to XY by ZX. Let this be equal to the constant value K. From this, AB by K is equal to AC and XY by K is equal to XZ. Now from the Pythagoras theorem, BC by YZ is equal to square root of AC square minus AB square by square root of XZ square minus XY square. Substituting these values in this, substituting the values in equation 1 in equation 2, we get BC by YZ is equal to AC square minus K AC square by XZ square minus K square XZ square. This should be in square. From the numerator we are taking AC square common. From the denominator we are taking XZ square common. Then this becomes BC by YZ is equal to AC square into 1 minus K square. Keep this in square root. And XZ square is taken in common. 1 minus K square. Keep this in root. Square and root gets cancelled. 1 minus K square, 1 minus K square gets cancelled. Now BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ. And AB by AC is equal to XY by XZ. This is from cos A is equal to cos X. From this we can write AC by XZ is equal to AB by XY, which is equal to BC by YZ. That is triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. We got both the triangles ABC and XYZ are similar. From this, the angles in the similar triangles are also equal. From this, we can write angle A is equal to angle X. This is the solution. Seventh question. Given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Then evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Second question is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. It is given that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. From this we can write tan theta is equal to 8 by 7 because cot is reciprocal to tan. So from the Pythagoras theorem, let us draw a right angle triangle here. A, B, C. BC is 7. AB is 8. We should find this. Let it be small b. B square is equal to 8 square plus 7 square. B is equal to root of 8 square is 64. 7 square is 49. We get the value of B is equal to root 113, which is equal to root 113. Now sin theta is equal to 8 by root 113 because sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse and cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 7 by root 113 is the hypotenuse. Now let us solve the first one. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. We can write this as 1 square minus sin square theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This can be written as 1 square minus cos square theta. Substitute the values now. 1 minus 8 by root 113, that is 8 square by root 113 whole square by 1 minus 7 square by root 113 whole square, which is equal to 1 minus 64 by 113 by 1 minus 749 by 113. 113 minus 64 by 113 minus 49. Here the denominators 113 gets cancelled. The answer we get is 49 by 64 is the answer for the first one. Now the second question is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Substitute the values. 1 plus 8 by root 113 by cos theta is 7 by root 113. This can be written as root 113 plus 8 by 7. Root 113 in the denominators get cancelled. The answer is root 113 plus 8 by 7 is the solution. 8th question. In a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. If tan A is equal to root 3, find sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. It is given that tan A is equal to root 3. This can be written as root 3 by 1. Let us draw a right angle triangle ABC with angle B is equal to 90 degrees. AB is equal to 1 and BC becomes root 3. From the Pythagoras theorem, we should find AC. That is, AC square is equal to root 3 square plus 1 square. AC is equal to root of 3 plus 1. Then AC is equal to root of 4. AC is equal to 2. Now sin A value is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is root 3 by hypotenuse is 2. Cos C value is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side for cos C is root 3 by hypotenuse is 2 plus cos A. Cos A. For A it is adjacent side by hypotenuse. For A adjacent side is 1. 1 by 2 into sin C. For C opposite side is 1. 1 by hypotenuse is 2, which is equal to root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 4. The answer is 1. The second question is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A value is 1 by 2. Cos C value is root 3 by 2. Minus sin A value is root 3 by 2 into cos C value is 1 by 2, which becomes root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, which is equal to 0 is the solution. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Press bell icon to get notified and also share with your friends.